Hi guys, and welcome to another tutorial. In this gorgeous seascape, we're going to begin working in many layers. Beginning first with an acrylic underpainting and then switching to oils to bring this to life. This tutorial can be painted in all oils by simply leaving it to dry at certain stages, or indeed you can do the whole tutorial in acrylic if that's what you wish. Or if you're like me and you like to do it half and half, that'll work fine too. Whatever you choose, I really do think you're going to enjoy this one.